Hello and welcome to this tutorial on S&P Capital IQ. This brief tutorial will show you how to screen for people using S&P Capital IQ. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. S&P Capital IQ is on this list. Please note that an account is required to access S&P Capital IQ. S&P Capital IQ is an in-depth financial valuation data resource that includes information on equities, credit ratings, transactions, and more. This is the homepage for S&P Capital IQ. You'll find screening options by hovering over Screening at the top of the page. From here you can see that there are many screening types available. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select People. Next, we need to select the criteria by which we want to screen. As you can see, there is a wide range of criteria to choose from. Let's screen for people in the healthcare industry in the Midwest, specifically those that have graduated from Purdue. To set up our screen, we'll select Industry Classifications under Company Details. Here we can search for industries using the search box, or select from the list. You're able to expand each industry to be more specific or select the industry overall. Let's expand healthcare and select pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and life sciences. Then click Add Criteria. You should see that the criteria has been added at the top of the page. Next, select Geographic Locations, also located under Company Details. From here we can search by city, postal code, or select from the list. Let's expand United States and Canada and drill down to select Midwest. Then click Add Criteria. Finally, we'll select colleges and universities under Education. Type Purdue University into the search box. Our search results will show all of the Purdue University campuses and some schools. Select the ones you're interested in, or click on the double arrows to select them all. Then add criteria. At the top of the page, you'll see the list of criteria added to this screen. From here, you're able to reorder or edit these filters. Our screen indicates that there are over 150,000 records in the pharmaceutical industry. Just under 2,000 of those are located in the Midwest, but less than 20 are Purdue graduates. To view results, click on View Results. Results will be listed alphabetically by last name. You'll also find the company name, email address if known, and professional titles. You can click on the information icon for more information on the person and their role with the company, or click on the company name for details about that company. For more information on screening in S&P Capital IQ, click on the Help link at the top of the page. Now you know how to screen for people using S&P Capital IQ. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.